Jason Momoa and Johnny Depp recently faced trial over the latter's libel case against a British tabloid. The trial revolved around allegations made by Depp that the Sun newspaper had labeled him a wife-beater back in 2018. Momoa testified at the trial in support of his Aquaman co-star, saying he'd never seen Depp be violent or abusive towards his former wife, Amber Heard. Depp and Heard became embroiled in a bitter court battle in 2016 after Heard accused him of domestic abuse. Momoa was questioned in court about his close friendship with Depp and their time spent together on set filming Aquaman and Pirates of the Caribbean in 2017. He described Depp as a kind-hearted and gentle person, and went on to say that he never saw any kind of violence. The actor then discussed Depp's behavior on set, describing it as professional, generous and focused. Momoa also told the court he would be extremely surprised if Depp had assaulted Heard, because he knew him to be a non-violent person. Momoa's statement was made under oath, making it legally binding. It was thought to be an important part of Depp's case, as he's denied Heard's allegations of abuse. Many have praised Momoa for his bravery in taking the stand to defend his friend. His statement was described as incredibly powerful, and it's believed to have had a transformative effect on the trial proceedings. As well as Momoa, several of Depp's other friends and former colleagues have testified in his defense. Actor Paul Bettany, who appeared in Pirates of the Caribbean, said he'd never seen Depp aggressive, abusive or violent. Vanessa Paradis, Depp's former partner of 14 years, also wrote a supportive letter to the court, saying Depp was a kind, attentive, generous and non-violent person. It's expected that the trial will reach its conclusion in the coming weeks, with a verdict likely to be announced shortly after. Regardless of the outcome, it's clear that Momoa's testimony made a real impact on the proceedings. Many have commended him for having the courage to stand up for his friend in a public court of law. His words were seen as a major factor in Depp's defense, and it's hoped they help him gain a favorable outcome. The trial has been hard-fought and intense, with both sides making convincing arguments. Momoa's testimony was seen as a vital component of Depp's case, and his words have undoubtedly had a lasting impact on the proceedings. He was brave to stand up for his friend, and many have expressed admiration for his willingness to do so. Some have suggested his words could be the crucial factor in the outcome of the trial. Momoa's statements were seen as vital evidence by Depp's legal team, and it will be interesting to see how the court views them. It's expected that the trial will conclude in the coming weeks and that a verdict will be announced shortly afterwards.